basically you can observe that is the block diagram of the low level AM transmitter. So the low level AM transmitter we are using for generating that is the amplitude modulated signal. So from this block diagram we can observe that how we can generate that is the low level modulated AM transmitter. Okay, and this one is the second, uh, that is the high level modulated AM transmitter, and both these modulated circuits which are generated, that is the AM modulated signal. So basically, first upon we can observe that is the low level modulated AM transmitter. So on your screen you can observe that the block diagram of that is the low level AM transmitter. So here first upon the first block that you can observe, which is that is the stabilized RF crystal oscillator, and the function of this crystal oscillator block is to generate the carrier signal. Okay, and this carrier signal is transferred to the class A buffer amplifier, and then the function of this buffer amplifier, just I'm explained before that the chain of amplifier, they will be maintain the efficient. So the class A amplifier will be using for to maintain the efficient function, and they will be minimize the distortion. Okay, so the both two blocks, the first that is called as the crystal oscillator and the another one is called as that is the class A amplifier, both are used to generate the carrier signal or the good quality of the carrier signal, and then this signal is transferred to the modulator block. Okay, next the AF modulating signal, on the below you can observe that the AF modulating signal. The AF modulating signal means audio frequency modulating signal, or we say that the original signal. Okay, so the audio processing and the filtering, and again here you can observe that is the class A AF amplifier. So another side here we can generate it, that is the our original modulating signal, or we can say that the baseband signal. Okay, so the first signal from the upper side, the signal is coming, that is a carrier signal, and from the lower side we can generate our original signal. Both these signals are combined into the modulator block, and then this modulator circuit will be generated the AM modulated signal, that is called as the AM. AM means amplitude modulated signal, is generated at the output of the modulator block, and then this signal is again given to the linear amplifiers. So the linear amplifiers means the chain of amplifiers. Why they can use here? Because we can generate the very good quality of the signal. Okay, and this signal that we can generate here, because of that the minimum distorted signal we can generate it by using that is the linear amplifier, and then here the last block is called as that is the power amplifier. So the power amplifiers is again using to increase the strength of the weak signal, and then we can transfer this signal to the transmitting antenna, आणि मग तो तुम्ही सिग्नल कुठे देतात, ट्रान्समिटिंग अँटेना कडे देतात. Okay, so the low level modulator AM transmitter circuit here we can observe. Next that we can observe, that is called as a high level modulated AM transmitter. So basically again here we can use that is the stabilized crystal oscillator, and this stabilized crystal oscillator signal or the block are used to generate the carrier signal. So the chain of the another amplifiers we can observe, that is the class A and the class C, they are using for to generate the good quality or the efficient signal and efficient carrier signal, and these the last block that we can observe, that is the class C RF output amplifier, it is called as that is the modulation block, or it is the modulator's block. So the carrier signal is generated by using that is the stabilized RF crystal oscillator. Then the two amplifiers that we can use, that is the class A and the class C, they are using for to generate the efficient quality, or they will be minimize the distorted, or they will be minimize the distortion in the carrier signal and generate the good quality of the carrier signal and transfer this signal to the class C output amplifier. So here the class C output amplifier is called as that is the modulator block. Then same that we can observe, that is the low level modulated signal. Here you can observe that is the high level modulator transmitter. So again the original signal will be generated by using that is the audio processing and the filtering unit. After the signal is again transferred to the class A and the class B amplifiers, and here the class A and the class B amplifiers they will be using for to generate the good quality of the original signal, and they will be remove the some distortion, and the original signal is again transferred to the class C. So here class C output amplifier is called as, that is the modulator block, and then the modulator signal will be then the modulator circuit will be generated the high level AM signal, and then this high level AM signal is transferred to the antenna, and then this antenna will be transfer this signal from transmitting antenna. Then we will transfer this signal by using this transmitting antenna towards the free space or into the free space. Okay.